Hey guys, I take this opportunity to welcome you to writersinkenya.net. Here you'll get a wide number of courses from academic writing, blogging, computer packages, and many more. In this class, we shall look at the basics of writing. What is academic writing? What are the categories of academic writing? What are the formats that are used in academic writing? And how do we go about them? Just remember that the unemployment crisis is a very imminent issue, and this training or these online courses will help you to counter that challenge, because we shall guide you from start to the end and how you will make those skills count and or earn you a substantial income. This class will introduce you to a 5-paragraph essay, that's writing introduction, 3 bodies, and writing a conclusion. This class is completely for free, so stay tuned and achieve your goal. Thank you.